I'll just be going over the trade I took on BTC earlier this week. Right now the indicator is currently indicated a trade on BTC as well, 5 minute. It's currently running in quite a bit of profit here, almost reaching TP. Again, this is fully automatic. It indicated a buy side CISD here, and this is after inverse fair value gap. Put SL, the stop loss, just below the last candle's wick here before the move, and then obviously on the liquidity here, which would be I think this was Asian highs. So yeah, it has just hit London highs here, so it's swept. It's gonna face maybe a little drawdown. Hopefully hit, yeah, we'll check it out back after the trade. Okay, so this is the actual trade on, what day is this? Tuesday. So we waited for price to come back up. Let me just switch this off. Okay, so we waited for price to come back up here for this previous term. Okay, so this is some buy side liquidity, also previous high. So if it sweeps and makes a rejection, we can look for a trade. So let's go back down to the 5 minute. So yeah, what we saw was price reach that level here. So price reached that level and the previous high, as we've marked it out here. So when it came up with some force, and that's what you want. When it almost exhausted, that's when you know. So to find out if it's exhausted, you can look out for RSI on the higher time frames. Going to 1 minute here. So price swept the previous high, as you can see there. Big rejection off of it. Okay, there was a IFEG here, inversed it pretty quickly. It retested just 1 minute FEG. So after making the displacements, it retested and created this FEG here. Retested it, entered off the retest, and then aimed for sell side liquidity. So you could have held this for a while. Obviously the sell side was down here. Okay, we can look at it back on the 5 minute. I took this here, it was another FEG, unmitigated, so we came down to test it and rejected straight off there to retest this 1 minute again. Okay, and then just went back to the downside. So you could have held this full TP hit, probably would have taken 90% of the position and left runners. And so it would have been break even here. Okay. Look at this trade that the indicator is indicated for us here. Like I said, just swept the London highs here. No retrace. But yeah, you could have aimed for this liquidity here as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and